What's up, YouTube? Good evening. I just wanted to show you guys my 36cc Rovan build I just put together. I'm going to throw this in my Rovan Shorty Baja Q. Got the case for that, but it's for a different one. It doesn't fit. So I'll get another one in the future, but for now, she's pretty good. Excuse the mess. I'm going to run 52-22 gears on it. If you can see right there, it's 52. That's a 22. That's a Rooster Tail 990. Bartolone Racing Velocity Stack. Rovan RC intake. So yeah, I'm going to put that in the Baja Shorty Q, Rovan. And we're going to see what she does on 22-52 gears. Got a lot of parts coming for a lot of builds. So stay tuned. We're going to get some stuff together now.